Welcome. Let's make some garlic Parmesan bread. I'll be making mine in my Pioneer Woman bread maker. Here is all of the ingredients that you're going to need. First, we're going to start by adding in some warm water. Add in some melted butter, some honey, get that last little bit of it, some flour, some more flour, some Parmesan cheese grated, some salt, some garlic powder, and some yeast. There we have all of our ingredients. We're going to close the lid and we're going to set it to 1.5 pounds. We're going to set the color of the bread to medium and get it started. And here we go. I came back about an hour later and this dough is looking beautiful. Now it's all finished and look at the color is just perfect on it. It slid right out. Please ignore my oven mitts. They are my absolute favorite. They've been burnt a few times. I cannot find a replacement I love. Okay, this bread looks beautiful. I should have grabbed my bread knife, but I was lazy, and I love the colors of this knife. It cut that first piece great. My second piece was a little bit harder, and it was just the perfect amount of crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. Absolutely beautiful. Gonna get it buttered up and give it a taste. So I'm curious, are you a lot of butter person or are you a little bit of butter person? Obviously, I am a lot of butter person. I can't wait to taste it. Oh, it is delicious. This is a real winner. You definitely want to make this bread. Come back and see me. I would love it if you give me a like too. Thanks, everyone.